Hi everybody! Andreas back at the house today working on some really exciting things for the channel, so I thought I'd come out and get a bit of practice ground handling on my own. I've decided to come to an old disused airfield and it's quite strong today, anywhere between 25 kilometres and gusting up to 35. So I'll see what I can get done, but I've set up some cups. I'm going to try and do a slalom. And it is quite turbulent, so it might end up just being me trying to control the wing in turbulence. We'll see though. It's weird. Just as a little tip, we normally always go out in pairs. The only reason I'm not today is because Andre is busy doing work, but I've made sure I brought a mobile phone and he knows exactly where I am so I can get hold of him if I get into any trouble. To get around, wish me luck. This seems manageable at the moment. It feels like any gusts have died down. Whoa! How long that was. Got to do it against the clock now, haven't I? One thing you can't stop with weight shifts, unless you keep moving forward, is the frontal. Maybe I wasn't moving forward enough. Haha, new game! accident and then turned into a challenge. I just wanted to touch them to begin with. Oh, wow, that one went around a couple of times, didn't it? I can't say I'm that happy with how my beeline stalling went. I think I probably pulled too much at once and ended up just kind of putting it in a power zone and then through sheer force dragged it down. So I might try practicing those a couple of times. I'm going to grab to put it down. Let me show you. The B's, the C's and the brakes all at once. I'm going to keep my hands here and then I'm going to reach up for these. So prepare to watch me get dragged. Or not, hopefully. Not expected. I also don't trust that that's down and staying down, so I'm going to grab the tip. Kill. Do this with a normal wing, can you? Let's try again. That seems more effective. But I think I missed the brake on that one, so my recommendation would be, if you're doing beeline stalling or beeline kill techniques, or any kind of kill techniques where you have to reach for the lines, wear gloves. I'm feeling a bit frictiony. There you go, sometimes it works, sometimes it reinflates. So something I've just learned about stall technique is it's not that consistent. Just be mindful of that, like it's each time you bring it down it's not always going to stay down. Sometimes, basically it's always better to have someone else with you to grab your wingtip to make sure that if you do a kill technique and you bring it down, it stays down. That's what I've learned anyway, I think. So that's it for this video. I'm sorry that it was a bit short and sweet and it ended up being what I wasn't expecting it to be. But that's the beauty of going out and ground handling. If it's too strong to go and fly, you can have a lot of fun by just making up your own tricks and making up your own tasks to do. And it's good exercise as well. So thank you to everybody on Patreon and YouTube memberships. who sponsor our channel, as always. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you very soon on the next video. Bye! Mega clouds. Mega clouds.